you see. Better watch how you talk when you talk about me. Cause I'm coming to you
and
like
the state.
we really been. Many men. Wish death on me, Lord. I don't cry.
Oh my God, dude, look at all the gobblers. Dude, they're all gobblers right there.
Dude, their beards are hanging right here. Do you see them all?
Yeah. Hold on. No, I pitch.
Where do you see the other ones at? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Dude, look at their heads.
6 gobblers.
Bright red heads. They're going out to meet with the hens in the field.
Yep.
Dude, are you sure we don't want to sit down farther? Because they're probably roosting that line right there.
No, I'm telling you, they're going to be up.
Well, let's see. We'll see where they roost. We'll see where they go.
Yeah.
It'll be perfect. They're over there by that little manure pile.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6. So, dude, there's 11 out here.
That means they're going in the roost there. Somewhere back there.
Dude, it's fanned out.
Is it? Oh, did it come back out? I can't see him anymore.
He's fanned up in the trees.
Alright, it's looking real good. We just saw about 16 turkeys, some jakes, some good toms in there with some nice beards. Gonna get out here in the morning and set up, try to get in their way and see what happens.
What's going on, guys? Pulling up into the Wyalusing Hotel up near Scranton, Pennsylvania. That's where we're hunting up north. We just got off scouting the roost. It's looking pretty promising for the morning.
I'm feeling pretty good. We saw a lot of birds out there. Watched where they roosted. I think first thing in the morning we'll get in there and hope for the best.
Yeah, so I think we're gonna have some good luck tomorrow morning. Cross your fingers and hopefully we get on them.
You down with an old bloodhound and you're running through the fields for your life. You gotta get up, son, I know they're gunning for you.
Let's go. Turkey hunting. Good from right here though. Jake.
Oh, that's a long beard, the second one.
The pen in the back left. The 3 in the middle. Jake's.
So wait till they turn to the
The
right.
one all the way to the right hand towards the tree.
Oh, that
line.
left is. Oh, they're smaller.
Yeah, they're all small.
They're all small.
All small. They're tiny.
It's actually a good sized beard there, dude. See it?
Yeah, that one's not too bad. Which one is that? The front?
Second to last. And what's the very last one, actually?
That one's a little better. Yeah.
That's a nice 8-inch.
No, not that big.
6 maybe?
Yeah, probably about 6.
It's looking better though. That wasn't in the group I saw earlier though. That would have been. It's a nice gobbler right there.
That
dude.
one's better. That one's a lot better.
That's a good bird right there.
Yeah, I'd take that one. Brisk Thursday morning. There's only frost on my bed cover, look at that. Oh, man. I did not pack for this.
It's 29 degrees out. A little bit of brisk morning. Got some fog, some pretty good fog rolling in. So I think the birds are going to stay up a little bit later in their roost. We're going to try to get Deb on bird here. So we'll see what happens. bit of daylight, we should be able to get on some birds here. What's going on, guys? After a nice morning hunt, we were walking out. Just called for shits and gigs before we got to the truck. Heard a major gobble. We were like, oh shit, here we go. Went up to stalk it, walked around the bend. There's this big hill separating us and the bird from what we thought. Walked straight up that hill, really freaking slowly, like crawled up it, and we called the whole way up through there. So we had the bird thinking that we were a hen walking all the way up through there. So he was hammering the call pretty hard. Yeah, Depp and I trying to get him on a bird here, and he peeked up over the ridge first with his gun ready. And we didn't really think that he was going to be right on that other side. We thought he was actually going to be about 100 yards in the distance yet. He was immediately right over that other bend.
He was inside of us.
And he could have heard us crawling up over there really slowly or something. And he spotted Depp peek up over the ridge, and Depp didn't have his gun ready. And
That was it. That's all she wrote.
monster 12-inch beard just took right off. He fanned and stared at him and took right off, and by the time Depp pulled up, he was gone. So
We're defeated, we're not conquered.
such a defeat, just a defeating moment, but
But we're not
hey,
conquered, we're coming back out.
got another day or two to hunt yet, so come back out and hopefully get on another longbeard, man. So try to get some other ones firing back up, but it's a little tough right now later in the season, so we'll see how it works out. Spur-Ma-Gettin call was doing pretty good there, so come get you one. Right here.
Yesterday I was sitting right here on this corner, and today they want to come down.
Yeah.
He was down here, no doubt. was culling right down here. I'm on the bottom of a little bench. Sorry, still a little shaky here. About 3 or 4 gobblers came over the top. I went completely silent. They started working their way in. The second one was probably the biggest one. Probably had 10 to 12 inch beard. As they came down here, I don't know if you can see in the back here, down the bench here, they were probably about 25 yards away, 30 yards. They started turning around after they realized there wasn't a hen down here. And I had to take the shot on the first gobbler, and well, we'll go take a look in a second here.
Let's do it, man.
Check it out.
Let's go.
Let's go. Yes, sir.
They were fanned out.
Yep. Oh yeah, they were ready.
Oh man.
All 3 of them.
I almost wish I would have hunted with you.
They came right over the bench here. I told you, bro. I told you the spot, man.
Should've
Beautiful
been-
bird. I'm
should've-
super happy.
Should have been here with you. Let me see the beard again. Beautiful long beard hair. Beautiful long beard. Congrats, man. Hell yeah. Let's go, buddy. Yes, sir. Spur-Ma-Gettin.
Oh, like right for them sticks was really good.
Yeah, that's where I'm fishing. I'm actually going to the right though.
I'm gonna fish right that one right in front of me here.
Hey, don't look stupid on camera.
You okay?
I'm good. Sure, alright.
You need some sleep though?
Oh, dude.
They're poking it.
Yeah, they're not dumb.
Oh yeah, those are good ones.
Every one of them. All 4.
That second to last one, man. He's big.
He's hanging, dude.
Yep. See that?
Are those the ones you saw?
Not sure.
They,
Can't tell.
yeah, they might not be.
Can't tell 100%. I honestly don't think they are.
The first one's a little smaller.
I see that. You can see it good now.
Second one's hanging. Third one's really hanging.
Look at the third. Look at the third.
Third one's really hanging.
Oh, that third is
Fourth
beast.
one's pretty good too, but that third one,
Third and fourth are fucking nice. Yeah, those are good birds right there.
I'd take every one of them.
Yep. Oh yeah, those are a lot. Those are nice.
They're heading the roost really fast.
Yeah, they're booking. They're like, we lost one of our big turkeys today. Let's get out of here.
That front one's still hanging, man. Even though you think it's small, it's not small. That sounds over there.
It sounds like they're still in the wood line.
Yeah.
It doesn't sound like they're out here yet.
Yeah.
But it's hard to tell. You can't tell.
Yeah.
They could be at the very top of this and it sounds like you can't looking down.
Yeah.
Oh, I just saw a bird fly down.
Did you?
Yep. I just saw a bird fly right down.
Dude, they must have been in the roost the whole time still.
It was to the right. It looked down to the right. So he didn't put it.
Oh, you're on fucking fire.
Yeah, oh,
They're fire.
that was nuts yesterday how they came in to me.
That's awesome, man. I'm so happy for you, man.
That was crazy. Four or five of them all fucking hangers.
Yeah. That's awesome.
He's calling again. He's chirping. Oh, dear. There's a bird. There's a goblin right to our left. He just went off to our left.
And he's by himself.
Yes.
That could be good.
That could be really good.
I must have done shoots, and that's like, fuck.
Not even then. He's all the way down there. Oh my god. You're recording this, right? Yeah, they're calling. Oh, he's calling too. He smelled that like 20 of them one time, remember? See if you can get the gunshot in it. Boom. Oh yeah, they're working towards us.
They are. That was him chirping.
It doesn't sound like they're committing to it. But there's definitely
It sounds weird, that's why.
like they're answering him, but dude, they would be on him already by now. He's right on, right next to him. Get ready.
I'm pretty sure they're out.
I think you're about to hear a shot go off.
I think so too.
Is he on this side of the road? No, he's on the far side. I can't tell.
Yeah, he's up on the fence.
No, the Jake. The Jake.
That's Jake.
Yeah, I see his beard now.
Cool. Hey, so we snuck up, crawled on up there. There was 9 Jakes, all beards like that. So I was hoping there was a good gobbler out of the bunch, but yeah, no, 9 different Jakes. I think that was the group we saw on Tuesday. So that's pretty cool. Just like that, guys. 2023 season comes to a close for me in northern Pennsylvania. Please go like and subscribe. Spur-Ma-Gettin out. Dude, there's a rope.